G'day guys, got a call out this morning from a client who had hose busted at night. So this is one under the basin in the ensuite. Now it's flooded the front bedroom and the walk-in robe as well. The carpets are soaking, so they've got to sort all that out. It's gone up the walls. So that's what's happened. Now I replace these things, no worries, and then I could have been out the door to the next job, but I thought I'd just have a quick check because that's good customer service, just to check to see if there's any other ones. And this is what I found out here. You can see that there's a rust mark there. It's probably a couple of weeks before it goes, and also there's all up here. There's all these rust marks, so are ready to go. So I've asked if you want me to replace this, and they said, of course, you know, they don't want to go through this again. It's like this wood flooring down here, so imagine that would swell up like a sponge if that happened again. So good idea if you check inside your cupboards, check for any rust marks, and if there are any, then get them replaced by your local plumber. Give us a call and we'll come sort it out for you. Okay, thanks for watching. Catch you later.